Hi everybody, it's Andrew at Red Deer Carpet One, and we're here with another flooring truth bomb. Today I've brought with me 4 different vinyl planks. Vinyl plank is a pretty broad category, and it includes a bunch of different ways of making flooring. So I just wanted to show you quickly the different types that are available. So the first 2 here, these are called glue down vinyl planks. They get stuck to your floor with glue. That's why we call them glue down. Makes sense, right? They start on the beginning end of the spectrum with thinner product, residential wear layer, great value in this type of vinyl plank. And then you can get a thicker product. This is a 5 mil with a commercial wear layer on it. So this is actually rated to be used in, say, a store or a restaurant, or a household with busy kids and pets. The other type of vinyl plank that is on the market today is click or floating vinyl plank. It's not stuck to your floor. It's clicked together, the pieces are, and it's meant to float on the floor. That is also available in residential or commercial wear layers. And the thickness of the core of the product actually matters quite a bit in floating vinyl planks. The thicker tends to be better because it offers more rigidity and it'll last longer. Anyway, that's it. That's vinyl plank. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time for the next Flooring Truth Bomb.